Hello everyone, today in this video I will be giving my chickens a lot of mealworms. Let's go. Watch all of them eat. Let's pour a little bit down here. Oh, watch them eat. They're eating it so quickly. They are crazy. More chickens are going to join in soon. Yes, 2 more chickens. Watch them eat all the mealworms so quickly. This is so cool. Let's throw some down here. Let's give them some hands. Whoa. I'm going to do a little bit more here. Oh, watch all of the chickens eating at the same time. It's so quick. Their beaks are moving around rapidly. Now let's just watch the meat. Goodbye, don't forget to like and subscribe.